Welcome to our guide on tackling challenging behavior. Let's dive in with tip 1. Calm the storm with mindful breathing bubbles. This innovative tool uses bubble blowing for mindful breathing, turning tense moments into serene spectacles. Next, tip 2 introduces the celebration countdown. This enjoyable method advocates for positive behavior, as it builds towards a special reward day. Tip 3. Don't miss out on positive behavior puzzles. These tokens for admirable actions can, upon completion, unlock activities or rewards for a sense of achievement. Moving on to tip 4, let's splash some color on a rainbow of emotions wall. This vibrant, expressive space lets students articulate their feelings, promoting emotional literacy in a lively way. Lastly, tip 5, inject some thrill with Mission Possible challenges. Positive behavior manifests into an exhilarating challenge, and students earn points and cultivate a sense of accomplishment. Remember, every challenge can transform into a stepping stone for growth. So, let's transform classrooms into positive, nurturing environments together by implementing these 5 tips.